Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. So I want us to answer the question that is on the board right here. The question reads, if 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 7 is equal to 1120, which is in base what? Base 4. Find the value of x. This x which is right there. Okay, so how can you solve this question? So it's very easy to answer this question. Okay, so you are going to write solutions. So the first step when it comes to answering on this question, we are going to copy the question the way it is, which is 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 7, which is equal to 1120, which is in base what? Base 4. So it becomes very difficult for you to answer this question looking at this answer which is right here, because it is base what? Base 4. So step 1, what are you going to do? For step 1, okay, for step 1, you are going to convert this, okay, you are going to convert 1120, which is in base 4, you convert this to the natural base, which is base what? Base 10. That is our step 1. Okay, so how do we convert this number now to base 10? Okay, so here the base is 4. So what you are going to do is look at the values. You have 0, 2, 1, 1. Okay, and the base is what? Is 4. So what are you going to do? What you are going to do is this. You are going to get 1, this one, times the base, which is what? 4. Now this 4 right here is the base which is here. Okay, you want to convert to base 10. So you have to multiply this value 1 times the base, which is 4. Then this 4 has to be raised to the power. Okay, so how do you put a power? You start from here. So if this is 0, the powers will be increasing as we are going to the left. So here it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So meaning that this 4 is going to be raised to the power of what? 3. Plus this 1 times 4 raised to the power of 2. Plus that 2, okay, times 4, which will be raised to the power of 1. Okay, I hope we are moving together. Plus, where we have the 0 there, times 4 raised to the power of what? 0. So this is what you are supposed to do when you are converting any number which is not in base 10. Then you want to convert it to base 10. You're supposed to do this. Okay, if it's in base 5, base 2, you have to do this. You convert. Okay, so for instance, if you had base 5, I would have been putting base 5 right here. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, now from here, what are we going to do? Okay, we are going to say 1 times 4 raised to the power of 3. It's a 64. Okay, because 4 times 4 times 4 will give us 64. Plus 1 times 4 raised to the power of 2, definitely to give us 16. Plus 2 times 4 raised to the power of 1, it's a 4. Okay, plus 0 times 4 raised to the power of 0, it's a 1. This is what you are going to get. Okay, so from there, let's just find the product of these values. 1 times 64 to give us 64, plus 1 times 16, 16, plus 2 times 4, it's 8. So this one plus 0 times 1, definitely to give us a what? A 0. Okay, so in case you are wondering where the 1 came from, it was 4 raised to the power of 0. So any number raised to the power of 0, it will give us a 1. Unless if you have 0 raised to the power of 0, it's a different case. Okay, now let's just add here 64 plus 16 plus 8. We are going to get 88, which will be in base what? Base 10. Or you can write it like this, which is 88. So we have converted that number, this number that we have, to base 10. Now it will become easier for us to find the value of x. Now we move on. So this was our question. We want to find the value of x. So we have converted this to base 10 from base 4, which is 88. So we are going to rewrite this, equating it to this number, which is in base what? Base 10. Okay, So we write 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 7 is equal to 88. So from here, we can let this 7 go that side, so that we remain with 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 88 minus what? 7. Okay, so 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 88 minus 7. We're going to get what? 81. So I do hope that we are moving together. Okay, so you can check. Here we have the base of 3. Here we have the base of what? 81. So it will be very easy to write this 81 with a base of 3. Okay, it will be very easy. So what you are going to do is, so we write 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to, so this 88 can be written as 3, sorry, it's 81, sorry, not 88, 3 raised to the power of what? 4. Because if you multiply this base 3 by itself 4 times, you're going to get 81, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So the first two to give us 9. Again, these two to give us 9. 9 times 9, 81. Okay, so what's the purpose of doing this? We want to ensure that these bases are equal to each other. Okay, so if the bases are equal to each other, even the powers are the same. Yes, so this is what we have right here. We have said the bases are equal to each other, they are the same. Okay, so even the powers, they are going to be equated. So here we have 2x, so you write 2x, which will be equal to what? 4. So you want to find the value of x. It means that you are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Even here 2. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Therefore, x is equal to, so 2 here, it's a 1. 2 into 4, it's a 2. 1 into 2 to definitely give us a what? A 2. So thank you so much for having time to view this content.